3, 2, 1. Yes! Boom! We did it! Hi there, it's Leah. Ever feel like giving up when you lose 5 trades in a row with RSI? It's a solid indicator, but some days the market just too volatile and catching a trend reversal seems impossible. That's exactly why I've got this amazing strategy for you. With it, you'll be able to trade reversals no matter what the market's doing. And let's get started! But first, I highly recommend you check out my content on Telegram. I post free trades anyone can earn from, even if you're brand new to trading. And if you're serious about boosting your income, there is an option to sign up for copy trading to mirror all my trades. Don't miss out on this opportunity. As usual, we are switching to candles with a 15-second time frame and set trade expiration to 60 seconds and trend size to 10% of your balance. For me, that's $2,000 bucks. We will also add a few currency pairs to make trading more convenient. Now we add 2 indicators, RSI and ADX. Set the RSI period to 7. On ADX, turn off all lines except for the top one. We only need the main signal line. Okay, now we are ready to trade. We are opening a long position here. And let me explain the strategy. RSI has dropped below the oversold zone, below 30. Price was falling, but ADX was climbing. Here we play against the trend. If RSI shoots up in a recent downtrend and ADX is turning down, it's time to go long. Make sense? And look, the chart's doing just what I expected. It's going up. Alright, come on, yes, very good. 3, 2, 1. Yes! Boom, we did it! Okay, and let's move on. Opening a long trend here. Let's see if it works out. ADX has been dropping this whole time during an uptrend. RSI recently hit oversold, so we had expected the price go up. And let's see what happens. Please go up. Come on! Am I really going to lose here? 2 seconds. Oh my god, I lost it. That's frustrating. Alright, time to cool off and not make that mistake again. Opening 2 long trades to recover the last loss. Here RSI bounced off the 30 line and ADX is in neutral position, indicating a trend reversal. Okay, let's see. Why the timer on my trade stopped working? Guys, you see that? What's going on? It's 45 seconds left. The trade ended, not sure what happened, but let's watch. Yes! Yes! It's a profit, guys! Loss recovered. Oh my god. Pink pocket option always registers all trades that we make, even if there are any kind of lag. To be honest, it's first time in my life and I experienced such huge lag on this website. Okay, going long here. We've got a slight price dip. RSI recently bounced out of the oversold zone, hitting up and ADX is still dropping. Following the strategy, if ADX aligns with the trend and RSI contradicts, go to the opposite way. And on the screen it's playing out exactly as I said. Yes, just 1 second. Yes! 27,000 on the account! We made 5,000 in 4 trades! I think I should end this training session for now. As you can see, this ADX plus RSI combo is a market powerhouse. I've traded with it for 6 years and it's one of my all-time favorite strategies. Subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and see you soon guys. Bye bye!